Libra new moon, seeds of relational freedom. But first, a little digging to prepare the ground. Today's Venus-ruled Libra new moon arrives at 1:35 p.m. UK time, offering us a potent opportunity to plant seeds for the relationships and desires we truly long for. Yet this lunar reset asks something of us first: to release what keeps us trapped in old patterns that prevent authentic connection and personal freedom. With the Sun and Moon in cardinal air sign Libra, we're being called to initiate new ways of relating to ourselves and others. The Librian themes of harmony and balance are front and centre, yet this is no superficial piece. The Moon's opposition to wounded healer Chiron in Aries suggests our relationship wounds are rising to the surface, asking for tender acknowledgement. Meanwhile, the square to Jupiter in Cancer amplifies ancestral patterns around connection, belonging, and emotional safety. This isn't comfortable territory. Mercury and Mars conjunct in Scorpio are digging deep, unearthing buried truths and unexpressed desires. With these two together in such an intense sign, be mindful of sharp words that can cut deeper than intended. The urge to speak hidden truths is strong, but so is the potential for wounding. The Sun's approaching square to Pluto intensifies the transformational pressure, bringing shadow material into the light for healing and integration. You may find yourself confronting uncomfortable realizations about how family conditioning has shaped your relationship patterns and limited your ability to pursue what you genuinely want. Yet this challenging astrology is precisely what's needed for genuine liberation. The new moon invites us to name our authentic desires, perhaps for the first time, and to release the ancestral programming, thought patterns and behaviours that have kept us small, accommodating or disconnected from our truth. Plant seeds today for relationships rooted in reciprocity rather than obligation, connection rather than codependency, freedom rather than fear. Release what no longer serves the balanced, harmonious life your soul is calling you towards. What desires have you been afraid to voice? What relational patterns are ready to fall away?